Welcome to Senior Health After 50 Plus. Today, we begin a gentle Tai Chi indoor walk to burn belly fat, improve balance, and boost your morning energy. Take a slow breath, relax your shoulders. Let's start. Warm up. Wake up your breath and core. Stand tall, with your feet shoulder-width apart. Let your knees stay soft, your shoulders relaxed, and your face calm. Before we begin walking, we'll gently warm the entire body, breath, spine, shoulders, and core, so every step feels smooth and supported. 1. Shoulder circles. Let's begin with some gentle shoulder circles to release tension and wake up the upper body. Start by letting your arms rest loosely by your sides. As you inhale slowly, lift your shoulders up, not too high, just enough to feel them rise toward your ears. Now begin a smooth, circular motion. Roll the shoulders gently forward, lift them up, slide them back to open the chest, and finally let them drop down as you exhale. We'll repeat this circle 5 to 8 times, depending on what feels comfortable for your body today. Keep the movement slow and steady. Inhale as the shoulders rise. Exhale as they fall. Picture yourself drawing a soft, round circle with each shoulder, smooth, warm, and effortless. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3. Allow the movement to feel warm and soothing rather than stiff or forced. Each rotation gently stretches the front of your chest, loosens the tops of your shoulders, and softens the muscles around your neck. If your shoulders feel tight today, simply make the circles smaller. Tai Chi is always about comfort, never pushing through strain. When you finish, notice if your neck feels a little longer and the upper body a bit lighter. 2. Waist twist. Now place both hands gently on your waist, letting your elbows relax and hang naturally at your sides. Stand tall, but keep your knees soft. This helps protect your lower back. We'll repeat this waist twisting movement 6 to 10 times, moving slowly and matching each twist with your breath. Begin by keeping your hips stable and facing forward. Slowly rotate your upper body to the right, allowing your chest, shoulders, and upper spine to turn together as one smooth, soft unit. Your hips stay grounded. Only the upper body moves. Don't twist too far. Just turn to the point where it still feels comfortable. As you rotate to the right, exhale, letting that breath help release tension around your waist and lower back. Then, gently return to center as you inhale slowly. Feel your spine lengthening and your chest opening slightly. Now rotate to the left as you exhale. Easy, slow, and controlled. Imagine your spine moving like a warm, soft ribbon, turning gently from within. Keep your belly relaxed and your breath steady. Inhale each time you return to center. Exhale with every twist. Let the movement stay smooth, natural, and rhythmic. With each rotation, your waist becomes looser, your lower back warms up, and your core supporting muscles begin to wake up. This prepares your entire midsection to stay balanced and stable as you move into Tai Chi Walking. 3. Breathing flow. Now, let's shift into a gentle breathing flow to connect your breath with your movement and calm your whole body. Let your arms rest comfortably by your sides. We'll go through 5 to 7 slow breathing cycles. Each cycle including one inhale as the arms rise and one exhale as the arms lower. Inhale slowly through your nose as you lift your hands forward in front of your body. Raise them only to chest level, with your palms facing upward. as if you're receiving warm morning light or gathering fresh energy. Keep your elbows slightly bent, your shoulders relaxed, and your wrists soft. Pause briefly at the top of the inhale and feel your chest expand, your ribs opening gently like wings. Now begin to exhale softly through your mouth. As you exhale, let your arms glide downward in a smooth, gentle arc in front of your body. Your elbows stay slightly bent, wrists relaxed, and your palms angle naturally downward or slightly inward. Allow the arms to float down rather than drop straight down, as if you're brushing through warm air or gently pressing down on a soft cloud. Keep your shoulders relaxed and heavy. Inhale. The arms rise, gathering energy. Exhale. The arms lower, releasing tension. Repeat this flow 5 to 7 times, matching each movement with your breath. Continue breathing long, slow, and steady. Keep your spine tall and your face soft. With every cycle, your heart rate steadies, your mind becomes calmer, and your whole body feels more balanced and ready for the Tai Chi practice ahead. Tai Chi Indoor Walking. Now we begin our Tai Chi walk. Move slowly, breathe deeply, and let your body flow. Part 1. Slow, mindful steps. Stand tall, soften your knees, feel the floor under your feet. Step cycle. 3 rounds, each 40 seconds. Right foot. Step by step, 1. Inhale. Lift the foot. Count 1. As you inhale, gently through your nose, shift a little of your weight into your left leg. Lift your right foot just 2 to 4 centimeters off the ground. Tiny, soft, effortless. Keep your ankle relaxed, toes pointing forward, not curled. Imagine your foot floating upward like a leaf lifted by a breeze. Balance cue. Hips stay level, core gently active, shoulders loose. 2. Step forward. Heel first. Count 2. Bring your right foot forward slowly, slower than walking normally. Let your heel touch the floor first, very softly, as if testing warm water. Knees stay slightly bent to avoid impact. Your whole body remains upright, not leaning forward. 3. Exhale. Roll through the foot and shift weight. Count 3. As you exhale through your mouth, slowly roll the foot from heel to arch to ball to toes. Allow your body weight to settle gently on the right leg. At the end of the exhale, draw the belly in softly, like pressing a small button, not squeezing hard. This activates the deep core muscles seniors rely on for balance. Left foot. Repeat the same 1, 2, 3 cycle. Inhale, lift, step, heel first, exhale, roll plus settle. Core, gentle activation. Breath cue. Inhale equals lift the foot. Exhale place the foot. Move so slowly, you never lose balance. Imagine walking through warm water that resists you just enough to slow you down. Add gentle arm flow. Now, let's bring the arms into the movement. Arm plus step coordination. 3 rounds, x 45 seconds. Inhale. Arms float forward. As you lift your foot, allow your arms to rise slowly in front of you. Palms facing inward, elbows soft. Movement should feel like a gentle Tai Chi wave. Exhale. Arms draw back toward belly. As your foot settles on the floor, pull the hands back toward the lower belly. Imagine collecting calm energy and bringing it into your center. Combine movement. Lift foot. Inhale. Arms float. Place foot. Exhale, arms return. Breath cue. Soft, continuous, no force. Modification. If your shoulders feel tight today, keep your arms lower. Even at waist height is fine. Gentle, turning walk. Now, we add a turning motion to improve balance and activate your obliques. Right. Half circle, 1 minute. Take 4 to 6 tiny steps, forming a smooth arc to the right. Inhale each time you lift the foot. Exhale each time you place the foot. Keep your spine tall and your gaze forward. Rotate from the waist, not from the knees. Left half circle, 1 minute, same rhythm, same calm breathing. Final repeat, 1 minute, flow, right arc, left arc continuously. Safety cue. If balance feels uncertain today, stay close to a chair or couch for light support. Flowing walk, continuous slow walking. Let's bring everything together into one smooth flow. Heel to toe, slow walking lift. Place heel first. Roll through. Breathe steady. Arm flow, inhale. Arms rise to chest height. Exhale. Arms glide, back or down. Let the breath move you. No rush, no pushing. Mental cue. You are moving with ease, strength, and calm. Energy, boost, and centering. Now let's finish with a gentle energy boost. Power breath. Step, alternate, right and left. 4 rounds. Inhale. Step forward and lift arms overhead. Imagine lifting sunlight into your chest. Exhale. Lower arms and press palms down. Feel your chest open. Your lungs expand. Flowing strength. Now, we'll move into a gentle flow of strength. Start with a slow inhale, lifting your hands up to chest level. Keep your elbows soft, and imagine you're holding a small ball of energy in front of your heart. And as you exhale, gently extend your hands forward. There's no need to push. Just let your arms glide out like flowing water. Relax your shoulders, relax your chest, and allow your breath to guide the movement. Continue walking in place, heel touching down first, then rolling through the toes. Each step matches your breath, natural and light. Inhale, feel strength entering your body. Exhale, let calmness spread through you. And as you keep moving, notice your lower belly gently tightening. Not a hard squeeze, just a light activation to stabilize your core. This helps protect your lower back and improves your balance. Inhale strength and exhale calm. Let your body move softly and smoothly with every breath. You can continue this flowing movement for 30 to 60 seconds or longer if it feels good for your body. Just stay relaxed, stay present, and allow your energy to move freely. And each time you draw your hands back, guide them in a soft, circular motion, as if you're gently gathering a ball of energy back to your chest. Energy centering. Bring your feet together and stand tall with ease. Place both hands gently over your lower belly, your center of balance and energy. Take a deep, comfortable inhale, feeling your hands rise slightly as your belly expands, and exhale slowly, letting any tension melt away. Continue this calm breathing for 20 to 30 seconds, staying present and relaxed. Quietly say in your mind, I feel calm, strong, and awake. Cool down and closing message. Let's finish with gratitude. Final breath, inhale, lift arms overhead, exhale. Let arms float down. Release any remaining tension. Closing moment, hands at chest or on belly, soft smile. You've completed your 15-minute Tai Chi indoor walk, a simple but powerful way to burn belly fat, improve balance, and feel lighter every day. Practice this once or twice daily. Morning to energize, evening to unwind. Thank you for joining Senior Health After 50 Plus. Take care, stay active, and keep your peaceful energy with you.